Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm down here. Hello. We're going to be installing casters that my brother-in-law gave me to put on the legs of this workbench. When I first made this workbench out of 3 2x4s that were in front of a house after 3 weeks after Hurricane Ian, the woman told me to take them, but they had a lot of nails in them, which I took care of, got them out, and I made this workbench. But at that time, when I was done making the workbench, and that video will be down in the description below, I told myself that I was going to go on Amazon to buy casters, and again to install them on the legs of this workbench. But when I saw my brother-in-law, he gave me some old caster wheels, but they're still in good shape, so they should still work. So it just saved me some money from Amazon. So let's get installing them. Alright, so I'm going to put the first lockable caster on. Alright, so I'm going to put it right in the middle, like this. Okay, right in the middle like that. Now I got myself a hole puncher, or a punch, sorry, and a little, like a little tool here that's broken, and it's got a long sharp tip here. So what I'm going to do is take a hammer, which I got right here. I'm going to put that right like there. Tap it, hit it down like that. Okay, and I'm also using I believe these are 1-inch self-tapping screws. So I'm going to put the first screw right in here like so. Like so, like this. Like that. Now, my original drill, which is Porter cable, the battery pack died on it. So I have to get another battery pack for it. Alright, so I'm going to put another one right here. Oh, wrong end. Okay, wiggle a little bit, let it come up. Because I would normally take a drill bit and drill each one of these holes out, then put the screws down, so it's a lot easier to go, because this is a 4-volt Ryobi drill, and it's not strong enough. So hopefully I can get all these casters on with no problem at all. Hopefully. All right, now on the other side now. Let me get up for this. Put this one right there. Like that. Do the other holes well. Right there. Okay. Put one screw right here. That. And I think something tells me that this battery is going to die before I even actually get all of these caster screws and to hold the casters on. All right, so there's one. All right, now I'm going to put another caster on. So I'm going to put it right. It's in the middle. Now I got myself a flathead Phillips screwdriver just in case if my drill does decide to die out, that I can still install these casters. right, so that one's now done. Okay, so bringing it up, down, close. So when you bring this down close to the ground, can't move the wheel. Bring it up, just like this, and then bring it up, and now they turn. Okay. All right, now this caster is a non-lockable one. I'll do the same thing, like that. Take my little little hammer here. All right, so just turned the base of the caster just turned a little bit, but I'm not going to worry about it too much because there's a way I can actually fix that. It's just by when I tap it like I'm doing, I just have to do it a little, just a slight at an angle, not all the way at an angle, just slightly. Because when I put the screw in, I don't want the screw to pop out on the side. Okay. All right, not but not least, this is a non-lockable caster. Exactly like that, exactly how the other ones are. Take the same tool. All right, so I must be hitting something right here. So apparently the wood split. So let me show you. All right, so apparently the wood split right where my fingers tap it. The wood split right there, as you can see right there. Because I think there might be a piece of nail stuck inside of here. That's why it split. I think it'll be okay because there's not a lot of weight on this the top of the workbench anyway.
Now watch. After I do this, I'm gonna be like, oh, all right, sorry I did that. Got confused there for a bit.
Turns. All right, so this one right here is lockable. This one right here is lockable. This one right here is not, and this one right here is not. All right, so both casters are unlocked. Here it goes. Just like this. Oh yeah. I like that. Oh yeah. Just like this. Oop. Just like that. All right. All casters are on and everything turned out great. Yes. So that's going to be it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next video.